Hello friends, welcome back to another video on talent traders. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And we are discussing about our previous videos about the simple short strategy which we are going to apply on intraday basis. Then how it became the profitable trade. So we have done a lot of backtest here about the same strategy which will give you some perfect return. Okay, over the period of 2 years, the capital was doubled on the same strategy. So how the premium is going to decay each and every day. If market moves up and higher or lower, the premium is going to decay in opposite way. So how to get that premium in a disciplined way? So that we are going to discuss here, and how we connect that in a algo trading platform, so that how we can make that strategy in an automated basis, where the strategy can do by algorithm trading. So that we are going to discuss here again. And first of all, we see how the premium is going to decay. So how much premium is today's, because today Bank Nifty trades like a range bond. In a range bond market, how much premium is going to decay as a time value. So today's time value, how much? It is a real time updation. So let's check it out. This is the price where at the morning starting around 9:30. So 9:22 a.m. you can check the call price is 341 and the put price is 279. So the total premium is around 621 rupees. So what we did normally, so we are focusing the trade at taken after 9:30. So instead of entering at opening a market, so we are waiting for a first 15 minutes and try to entry after the first 15 minutes around 9:30. If you are entering into the trade, that so it will give you some buffer time, and we are entering into 9:30 because we are done on the back test. So where we are going to enter around 9:30, we are entering using the simple start straddle strategy. So now what happened this around 9:30, let's check the premium is exactly just a minute, it is updating right now. At 9:30 you check it out, the premium total premium value is around yes, you can check that the call price and the put price and the total value around 9:30. So we exactly find out the premium which is present is around 612 rupees, the total premium. So this line is the combined premium chart. That is what 612 at 9:30. The call price is 378 and the put price is 233.9 or 234. So the total premium which is around 612 rupees. If the market not moving anywhere, if it is a trading a range bond up to the expiry, the 612 rupees should be the zero value material, or these options is going to become a zero if market settled on the same price of 35,800. If market moves on either side, if it is goes up, the call premium will increase and the put premium will decrease. But what is the important factor about the strike prices or option? So we are selecting a ATM options. So when we select a ATM option, it doesn't have any intrinsic value. It is only full of time value options. The time value of the options is around 612 rupees. So how we are going to get that premium? So what as our strategy, what we are doing? So we are taking the short straddle at 9:30 is around 612 rupees. That is what our entry premium. So after that is market slightly moving up and down. So it is going on. So how the premium is changing and how you are going to take the premium is you are going to get that premium. So after 9:30 we traded around 612 rupees. So we use the margin required for the trade is around 1.7 lakhs, but we use 2 lakhs margin to take a sufficient do the trade. And after that it's slightly going down, and you see that one point of time. So here you see that yellow color and blue line, so the put price as well as the call price. Okay, think 35, not 35,100, we are checking it the 35,800. Now the market is slightly going down, so that's why it's changed its value. So what you are testing here, today's a range bound condition, and let's do that. And this is the call price. Initially it is moving higher and lower and higher. Again, this time the put price is trading like this, and one point of time put over the call price and call. So it is trading like a range bound, the call and put prices, which is trading on the same or narrow range like that. So here, that time the premium of the options from 9:30, it is started going to down. So still it's moving down and down and down. So what is the premium right now? So you check that the premium is around 546. So where we sold. So this is now real recordings. It is running now. So now the current premium of the same strike price is around 546. So where we took the trade is around we are taking around 612. So here we are not making any stop loss target, everything. So it's just simple how the premium is going to decay, or how the time value is going to decay. Now 546. So let's take, so we got somewhere around 54, 60, 66 point as a profit. So the total premium, which is decayed around 66 point, then 66 to multiply by 25, the lot size of 1600 rupees, the premium is decayed from this particular option, or the particular standard strike price of 35,800. That premium, so how we are going to get that premium in a real time on using RoboTrade. So we have to place the orders at 9:30, so both the orders, okay, and we don't put any stop loss at it here, but the nature of the option premium is going to decay the time value. So that if you have understood, then that should be the best one, right? This is the trade which is we done with the automated system. So here what we are planning for the trade. We are planning for the trade is around, we are going to take the position by 9:30. That is what our strategy that we have discussed on that, right? So we are going to enter around 9:30, so exit 310. Okay, so we make a stop loss for the each leg is 20%, correct? That is what our simple start strategy that we have applied on that. So now how the position got taken. So this robo, which is we are done, and what happened using the 2 lakhs capital, and we got a somewhere around 0.61% return for the day today. So if your total premium you get is around 1600 rupees is a total premium value TK, but we are here gaining around 1200. But even if the same strategy giving you somewhere more profit if you have hold it. So we already booked out, and so 5%, 0.5% without making any stress, or we no need to be find out the trend, no need to watch the charts, and simple we have the strategy and we can deploy in a live auto mode. So that will taken care of. So only we can track this thing, so that will give you some better opportunity. If you want this kind of robot trade, on my description you can go through that on my YouTube description. So there will be a link to Algo Trade, so you can create your Algo account with that link. We can trade it with a group kind of format, and if you wish to want this code, so we will create for your Trader account also. You can contact that number scrolling on our WhatsApp on the video itself. So you can WhatsApp or you can call me the direct to the number. Okay, so how it works today at 9:30, you see that at 9:30, just a second. Today at 9:30, it is exactly placing an order in, just a second. Yes, it was placing an order around 9:30. It sold a value of 35,900. It is automatically selected the strike price also, but from the morning at 9:30, so the market was trading nearby 35,900. So it is selected based on the market price. So it is taken a 35,900 option. So even we can go for a 35,900 also. Let's check it out. What are the premium on that? 35,900 it was taken, and it is placing a 20% stop loss itself immediately once it taken a position. So you are taking a 276.25 with a 20% stop loss, that is around 55 rupees plus 276.25. So exactly 331.5 is our stop loss. It is placed, and the stop loss got triggered around 10 o'clock the morning. So the stop loss order were placed by 9:30 and the order what got executed, the stop loss order got executed by 10 o'clock. So immediately while it is placing the order, it can place your stop loss orders too. So we can avoid our risk. And 1 rupee is the slippage. So 31.5 we are making a stop loss, but here it is a little bit higher than that from our stop loss point. So that is what 60 paisa is higher than. But if you are making a stop loss as a naked percentage wise, so you will be getting even more slippages, but we are using stop loss market order to get arrest the slippages. And the second leg, which is also triggered by 9:30 4 seconds, that at the same time both the legs were triggered. You see that here also the call price, the put price 9:30.04 seconds is placed the order, and here also it is placing the order at 9:30.04. Here it is selling around 319, which we are immediately placing the stop loss around 316. So around 12 o'clock we have exited the position by 215. So we manually book our profit, and now it is 186. If you are keep the position is still open, so from almost 30 points down, so another 700 rupees is the max profit where we can able to get this position. So this is the way where we can deploy that our simple stance straddle strategy on algo trading flat mode. So if you wish to get this code, you can contact me the number, and if you want to create an algo trade, so you can go below that my description, so you will find out that link on that. So using the link you create your account, and then you can use it also. If you wish to want to this simple start straddle code, so we can create for you on personal basis, or if you wish you can watch on that also. So you can, if you wish to get this code on your TradeRun account, so you can get it out, right? You can just give me a call or WhatsApp, so you will get that code. Okay, that was exactly what we are planning. So that was we are doing here on the live market. So let's check it, because it is taken by 35,900. Let's check at around 9:30 what should be the market price. Bank Nifty around 9:30, what should be the market price is around 35,900, right? So that is why it is taken a 35,900 call. Around 9:30 closing prices 35 sorry, this is what 5-minute chart, and the closing price is 35,908. So that is why it is exactly the spot market price is 900, so it is taken a 35,900 strike price. And let's check the Bank Nifty premium in 35,900 is the morning premium. So let's check it out. 35,900, yes, that is a 35,900, sorry, 35,900. So this is the premium we are taking in the morning. So around 9:30, what is the premium is exactly around 597. So now the premium which is trading almost 545. Combined premium of the option is 545. The here we got it around 597 around 9:30. So almost 50 points, right? So the total premium is around 50 points, right? We are going to make 1,250 rupees with the one lot, but we are done with the stop loss management. That is why the profit is increased. But this is without any stop loss. The premium is going down by more than 50 points, right? I hope this may be a useful video to you all, and thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, like and share to your friends. If you have any questions, you can comment on that. So the link which is provided on the description, so on my video, so you can go through that, and you can get that link to get how to subscribe the Algo Trade. Here any of my videos, just go for below that level. So here you can also open an account with me, so we can do with that same algo trading with a disciplined way. So here you can join with this link on Algo Trade, and you can open above using this link. You can open an account with me also. If you are interested, you can use this link to open an account with me, the Zebu Trade. And if you want to join with that our Algo Trade, you can go for that. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much. And if you have any questions, you can comment below on the comment box. Thank you so much. If you are not subscribed my channel, kindly make subscribe.